Okay, so let's start today's class. Today we will continue exercise 5.3 from question number 3 and the point number 8. Question number 3 and point number 8. In this point, given an is equal to 4, given an is equal to 4, common difference d is equal to 2, d is equal to 2, and Sn is equal to minus 40. Sn is equal to minus 40. To find, you need to find the value of n and first term. So n and a, these two values we have to find. Okay, now first an is equal to 4. We can write according to general form a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. Anyone value given? Yes, d value given. So a plus n minus 1 d in place 2 is equal to 4. So what is the value of a? We can transport this term to the RHS. So 4 minus 2 bracket n minus 1. This is equation number first. And Sn is also given. Sn is equal to 40. We can write according to the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket is equal to 14. We can place the value n by 2 bracket 2a. What is the value of a? We can replace from the equation number 1 4 minus 2 bracket n minus 1. This is a middle bracket. Again 2 and a. Value of a I replace from equation number 1 4 minus 2. फिर यहाँ पर आएगा 4 minus 2 bracket n minus 1. Now this is the value of only 2a. Next plus n minus 1 n minus 1 d is equal to 2 given. So 2 bracket is equal to 40. Okay. Continue and simplify these values one by one. First, transport 2 to the RHS, remaining only n bracket 2 middle bracket 4 minus open this bracket 2 into n 2n and minus into minus plus 2 by the 2, so plus 2. Next the second bracket, again open this bracket, multiply by 2 plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 by the 2 is equal to 2 into 4 we transport, so this becomes 28. Next continue. Sadia, board is clear? Are you seeing the board clearly? Anyone? I think because of some network problem, the board is some partial blur. Now it is clear? Sanjana, it is clear? Okay. If this is clear, let's continue. Okay, simplify this step. Now open this bracket and bracket 2 multiply 4, 2 4 is 8 minus 2 is 4, 4n next plus 2 is 4 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 28. Now 8 plus 4 12, 12 minus 2 10, next n minus 4n plus 2n, this becomes minus 2n bracket 28. So now multiply n to this bracket value. So 10n minus 2n square is equal to 28. Divide this equation by 2. We got 5n minus n square is equal to 28. Now transfer 28 to the LHS. So 5n minus n square minus 28 is equal to 0. We can change the sign. N square minus 5n plus 28 is equal to 0. So now this becomes a quadratic equation in variables of n. All of you follow this equation and find out two values of n. What are the two values of n? Yes, sorry, this is 14. Okay, two answers are coming, 7 and 2. Let's check which is correct. So by the factorization method, we can find the roots of this equation. The roots are n minus 7 and n plus 2 is equal to 0. Sn is negative. Here is minus. Here is minus. This also minus. This minus. This minus. This minus. This is also minus. Now this becomes plus. After multiplying, this is minus. And this here minus 14. Okay, now it is correct. So n is equal to, we got two values, plus 7 or minus 2. So we got two values, plus 7 and minus 2. Which value is correct and which value is not correct? We know that n is a natural number and the number of terms cannot be negative. So that's why the minus 2, this value is rejected. So correct answer n is equal to 7. Now we can place the value of n in equation number 1 and we can get the value of a. So place the value of n in this equation. From first, a is equal to 4 minus 2 bracket n minus 1, n is equal to 7, 7 minus 1, 6. So multiply 6, 4 minus 6 to 0, 12 is equal to minus 8. So what the second answer is minus 8. Yeah, correct answer, Sanjana. Very good. So the use of quadratic equation in many of the other topics also. In this question, we use the concept of quadratic equations. So if there is any doubt, you can ask me at this point. Any doubt? Okay, so let's continue. The point number 9, given a is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192, s is equal to 192, and we have to find the value of common difference. Find d equal to norm. Okay, so now given s here is not given the how many terms of the sum is 192. So if n is equal to 8, then the sum of 8 terms is 192. So we can write a is 8 is equal to 192 according to general form n by 2. N is equal to 8, so 8 by 2 bracket 2a 2 multiply 3 plus n minus 1. N is 8, so 8 minus 1 into d bracket close is equal to 192. So simplify this step. Simplify this step. Okay. First divide by 2. 2 4 is 8 bracket 2 3 is 6 plus 8 minus 7 7 into d is equal to 192. Next transport 4 remaining 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 divided by 4. 6 plus 7d is equal to 4 4 is 16 3 remaining 4 8 is 32. Next 6 transport 48 minus 6 is equal to 42. So d is equal to 42 divided by 7. 7 is 6 42. So the value of common difference is 6. Yeah, correct answer, Sana. In this question, we need not find the nth term. I think Pramod you find, but there is need not. Okay, this is unnecessary word for this point. We can directly find the common difference. Okay, let's continue. The last point, mark this point for today's homework. So I am going to discuss the next question, number 4. In this question, one AP is given. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means in this one AP is given, the sum of some terms is given. We have to find the number of terms for the given sum. Okay, first write the AP 9, 17, 25 dot dot. Here a equal to 9, d equal to 17 minus 9, 8, and sum is given 636. Okay, so now as n is equal to 636. So n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 636. N by 2 2a 2 9 80 plus n minus 1 into d. D is the 8 bracket equal to 636. Transfer to the RHS. Remaining only n. This is 80. Open the bracket by multiply 8 plus 8 into n. 8n minus 8 by 8. 636 multiply by 2. And here n. 18 minus 8. This is 10 plus 8n. Equal to divide multiply 2 636 2 6 is 12 81 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 2 6 is 12. Now open this bracket and multiply by the 9 and to 10 to n plus 8 n square minus 1272 is equal to 0. Divide this equation by 2, we can get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. So in the last we got one quadratic equation in the terms of n. So find out the quadratic equation and find out the value of n. In this equation you will get two values of n. Please reply the both values. Yeah, Superstar replied, Sunil replied, the two values are minus 53 by 4 and n is equal to 2. Correct answer? Okay, so after by using the quadratic formula or by using the factorization method, we can find the factor as 4n plus 53 and the second factor n minus 12 is equal to 0. So when we equalize 0 to each factor, we will get two values. The first n is equal to minus 4 upon 53 or n is equal to 12. We know that the value of n cannot be negative because here the number of terms is a natural number. So this is rejected. The right answer for this question, the number of terms are 12. Yeah, correct answer is Smita. Very good. Let's continue. The question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So in this question, three values are given. A is equal to 5, n is equal to 45, s is equal to 400 to find n and d. Okay. Now we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. What is the Sn? This is given 400 n by 2 a. This is the 5 and n. This is the 45 transport 2. So it becomes 800 remaining n. 40 plus 5 50. So n is equal to 800 divided by 50. This is the answer 16. So n is equal to 16 we got. Now we need one more value d. Also L is also called the nth term or the last term. So we can take a n is equal to 45. Here is given L is equal to 45. L is also the nth term or the last term. So this is the 16th term of this AP. So we can write A16 is equal to 45. A16 we can write A plus 15B is equal to 45. What is the value of A? 5. So 5 plus 15B is equal to 45. Now 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. So this is 40. Now d is equal to 40 divided by 15 divided by 5. 5 is 40, 5 is 15. So the value of common difference is the 8 by 3. Up to this question, if there are any doubt, kindly ask me. Is there any doubt? Okay. So we are going to discuss the last question in today's class. Question number 6. In question number 6 given, first and last term, age equal to 17, am is equal to 350, and d is equal to common difference 9. Sorry, question number 6, d is equal to 9. We have to find the value of n, second Sn. These two values we have to find. Okay. So first, to find the Sn, we need n. So first we will calculate the value of n. Now, am is equal to 350. We can write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 350. Value of a, this is 17 plus n minus 1. Common difference is 9 is equal to 350. Transfer same to the RHS. Remaining n minus 1 into 9. 350 minus 17. 333. Now n minus 1 is equal to 333 divided by 9. So cancel. 9 3 are 27. 6 remaining. 9 7 is 63. So n is equal to 38. One value we got, n is equal to 38. Correct answer, Pratham. The next value we still have to calculate. Sn. Here n is equal to 38. So S38 is equal to n by 2. 38 by 2. A plus L. 17 plus 350. So 38 by 2. This is 19 multiplied 17 plus 350, 367. So we can multiply 97 is 133, 3 carry 3, 30, 96 114 plus 13, 127, 7, 12 carry, 93 and 57 plus 12, 69. So 6973 is the sum of this AP up to 38 terms. Six nine seven three or 6937, which is correct answer? Yeah, 6973 is the correct answer. I think solutions. Yeah, easily we can check. 9 7 is 63. So the unit of answer will be 3, not the 7. Okay, so this was the last question in today's class. The question number 7, you have to mark this question for homework. Question number 7. Okay, so we are going to end today's class. once again, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.